All right, so now we're going to assume that we have a calculator that we all hopefully have. I know some of you are having trouble downloading the software, but I'm going to pretend that you have it. I'll do another one right after this that pretends you don't. So anyway, since we're doing a confidence interval for the difference of two means, what we need is this information in order to construct our confidence interval. So our sample means, the first one from the smokers was 26, or I'm sorry, no, it wasn't, 80 beats per minute for the smokers. For the non-smokers, we had 74 beats per minute. All right, then for the sample standard deviations, the smokers had a sample standard deviation of 5 beats per minute, where the non-smokers had a sample standard deviation of 6 beats per minute. The sample sizes for the first one, smokers, there were 26 in the sample, and then for the non-smokers, there were 32 in the sample. So now all we have to do is take this information, go to our calculator. You know the drill by now. Menu, name of your class, name of the thing that you're trying to do, and then looky here, we have a 2-sample t-interval. How about that? So we have statistics on it, not data. If we had a list and spreadsheet of the 2 separate lists, we could go ahead and do that, but we have the actual stats. So we input our information, just like we wrote it down, 80, 5, and then 26. And then for our second sample, we have 74, 6, and 32. And we hit OK. And it tells us a whole bunch of information, but the information we're actually interested in is this part up here on the top right, our lower bound and our upper bound for our interval. So that's the information we're actually interested in. Let me go ahead and write it down real quick so I can minimize the screen. 3.1 and 8.9. All right. So we find the lower bound and upper bound for the difference in beats per minute. I'm sorry, for the difference in the, I'll use the symbols, in mean 1, so mean 1 minus mean, can't even see, 2 to be 3.1 and 8.9 respectively.